Bismillah. Inshallah, we will solve mensuration test. The first question, we have cone, its radius 5, slant height 13. We don't have the perpendicular height. I need to calculate the curved surface area. So the rule is given to you, the curved surface area for the cone by RL. L is the slant height, which is 13. R, which is the radius, which is 5. So to find the curved surface area, by times R, which is 5, times L, which is 13. So use calculator to find the answer. So by multiply 5 multiply 13, 204.2 to 3 significant figure, we can write 204. Next, I need the perpendicular height. From Pythagoras theorem, we can find the height. We have the hypotenuse, we have this side, we can find the height. So the height equal square root 13 square minus 5 square, which is 12. So the perpendicular height 12 centimeter. Next, calculate the volume of the cone, and the rule is given to you. 1 over 3 by r square times height. 1 over 3 by r square, so 5 square, times the height, the perpendicular height, which is 12. Now you can find the answer. Fraction 1 over 3 multiply by multiply 5 square multiply 12. 314.159. So to 3 significant figure, 314, or to 2 decimal places, 314.16. IV, write your answer in part A, triple I, in cubic meter. The answer now for A triple I, 314.16 centimeter cube. So to convert from centimeter cube to meter cube, divide by 100 cube. To convert from centimeter cube to meter cube, divide by 100 cube. So the answer, which is 314, divide 100 cube divide 100 cube. We need to write as standard form. So 0.00314 to write in standard form will be 3.14 times 10 power negative 4 times 10 power negative 4. So this is the answer in standard form. Next question, question number 5. We have a cuboid, we have length, width, height. We need to find the diagonal, the length of diagonal. We have rule to find the length of the diagonal, which is square root length square plus width square plus height square. So square root 46 square plus 24 square plus 20 square. Square root 46 square plus 24 square plus 20 square equal 55.6 to 3 significant figure. 55.6. Maria has a fish tank with a volume 20,000 cubic centimeter. Write the volume of Maria's fish as a percentage of the volume of Joe's fish tank. This cuboid for Joe's. So to find the ratio as a percentage, to find the volume of Maria as a percentage of the volume of the tank of Maria, which is 20,000, over volume of the tank, Joe's tank, which is length by width by height. We need to find volume of the cuboid is 46 times 24 times 20 . 46 times 24 times 20 equal 22,080. So 22,080. So to find the percentage, divide the volume of the tank of Maria, divide by the volume of the tank of Joe's, then multiply by 100 to convert to percent. So the answer, 20,000 divided 22,080 times 100, 90.623 significant figure. 90.623 significant figure. Lorenzo's fish tank is mathematically similar to Jose's and double the volume. Calculate the dimension of Lorenzo's fish tank. We have the dimension for Jose, which is 46 and 24 and 20. 46, 24 and 20. To find the ratio between Lorenzo and Jose's dimension, Lorenzo's dimension and Jose's dimension, we have the volume of Lorenzo double the volume of Jose. So this means V, volume for Lorenzo divided volume of Jose, is 2/1. And to find the ratio between the dimension, so side for Lorenzo divide side for Jose is a cubic root 2/1, which is a cubic root 2, and we can write 1. So now if we have the dimension for Jose, we can find the dimension for Lorenzo. Just multiply by root 2 because the ratio between them is a cubic root 2 to 1. So for example, if I need the length for Lorenzo over the length for Jose, which is 46, equal cubic root 2. So now 46 go to the other side to find the length. 46 multiply cubic root 2. 46 multiply cubic root 2 is 57.9. 57.9. The same for the width. Multiply the width by cubic root 2. So we can multiply 24 by cubic root 2. So 30.2. This for the width. For the height, same, multiply 20 by cubic root 2. So 25.2 to 3 significant figure. So 25.2. So from the ratio between their volumes, we deduce the ratio between their sides, because you know that side 1, if we have two similars, side 1 divided by side 2 equal cubic root volume 1 divide volume 2. So to find the ratio between their sides, and you have the ratio between their volumes, just cubic root the ratio between their volumes. Next one. A sphere has volume 20,000 cubic centimeter. Calculate its radius the volume of the sphere is given to you. So apply the rule. So 4 over 3 by r power 3 is 20,000. So to find r power 3, divide 20,000 by 4 over 3 pi. Then to find r, cubic root the answer. Or in one step, you can take cubic root. So this cubic root cancels the power. So now r is cubic root 20,000 divided by 4 over 3 pi. So now you can find the answer. Cubic root, we have fraction, 20,000 divide 4 over 3 multiply by so 16.8. So the radius 16.8. The 3 significant figure 16.8. Moving on, number 19. We have rectangle and we have sector and triangle inside the rectangle, and we need to find the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region equal area of rectangle minus area of sector and area of triangle. We can find area of the sector easily because we have radius and we have the sector angle. We have a rule to find the area of the sector. So area of sector equal the angle, central angle, over 360 times by r square. So by times 8 square. So this is the area of the sector. 30 over 360 multiply 8 square. 16.755. 16.755. You can round to two decimal places. Now to find the area for this triangle, we need to find this length. We need to find base and height, or we need to find this side. If we can find this side, we can use the second rule for area of triangle, which is half multiply side, sine the angle in between. So to find the area for this triangle, to find this side, you need to use SOHCAHTOA trigonometry. So this also related, this question related to trigonometry. So now to find AE, we have, because this rectangle, we have right angle triangle. We need to find the adjacent, and we have the hypotenuse. So we can use cosine. Cosine 60 equal AE, the adjacent, over the hypotenuse. So cross multiply. So now AE equal 8 times cosine of 8 times cosine of 30, cosine of 60, which is 4. So AE is 4 centimeter. Now after we find AE, we can find the area of triangle, and also we can find the area of rectangle. Area of triangle first. Area of triangle AED equal half into 4 into 8 sine 60. So half, or 0.5, multiply 4 multiply 8 multiply sine 60. So 13.85 6. So 13.86. 13.86. And also we can round the area of the sector to 16.76. Now area of rectangle equal length by width, or 8 times 4, so 32 centimeter square. So now area of the shaded equal 32 minus 16.76 plus 13.86. Then you can find the answer. 32 minus bracket 16.76 plus 13.86. So 1.38. 1.38. 2, 3 significant figure. 1.38. The last question. Find the total surface area for this prism. For this prism, the base trapezoid, and we have for the lateral 4 rectangles. So to find the total surface area, I need to find the area of all faces. We have 2 trapezoid and 4 rectangles So we can start with to find area of trapezoid. Area of trapezoid, you have base 1 and base 2 and the height, so you can find the area of trapezoid. So area of trapezoid equal half into base 1, which is 9, plus base 2, which is 16, times the height, which is 4. So equal 30 centimeter square. So this for the trapezoid. Now for this rectangle, the rectangle at the base, to find this area of for this rectangle, 9 times 15. So for the first rectangle, 9 times 15. So 9 times 15 equal 135 centimeter square. And for this rectangle, 4 multiply 15. 4 times 15. So for the next rectangle, 4 times 15, which is 60 centimeter square. And the rectangle at the top, 6 multiply 15. So 6 times 15, which is 90 centimeter square. Now for this rectangle, we have its length 15, but we need to find this side. To find this side, if we drop line from C perpendicular to the base, this will be 4. And this, because this rectangle, so this 6 and this also 6. This 6 centimeter. So now we can find this side, which is 9 minus 6, which is 3. So this side is 3. Now this side is 3 and this side 4, and this right angle triangle, we can find BC by Pythagoras theorem. So BC equals square root 3 square plus 4 square, which is 5. So this side 5. So for this rectangle, 15 times 5. So for the fourth rectangle, 5 times 15, which is 75 centimeter square. Now to find the total surface area, we have 2 trapezoid. Take care, we have 2 trapezoid, not 1. So 30 times 2, or 30 plus 30, plus we have 4 rectangles, 135 plus 60 plus 90 plus 75. If we add all, we get 420. So 420 centimeter square.